Welcome to the in front of me OPPO A94, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we can see that we have to do the same wallpapers on the lock and home screen of our device, and just to change the lock screen wallpaper, you should open the settings app, and after that tap here to the personalizations, click allow, and here tap to wallpapers. Now we can see here that we can select our new wallpaper from just our device photos previously taken on our device camera, or just no, we have no here unfortunately any just previously taken on our device camera photos, so we can use the default wallpapers here. Just select one from these wallpapers. For example, let's go with this one, tap to apply and select lock screen. Just wait a second, and now we'll check and see that we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while one from your device screens, that doesn't matter, and after that tap here on the left down corner to wallpapers, and by the same way select one from the wallpapers. Okay, here you'll see by this way how they will look on the home screen. So just we can change lock screen wallpaper only by one way in personalizations here. So you can also use the live wallpaper if you want. For example, this one, you can see the look of this wallpaper, then just tap it, apply, and we can set live wallpapers only to home and lock screen together, so you can't just use the live wallpaper only on lock screen, just home and lock, or only from to home screen. So let's just see the result here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.